What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to another video. In this video I want to show you what does that mean when we are talking about intermediate form of 0 over 0 and L'Hopital's rule. We need to evaluate the limit of e to the power of 2x minus 1 over x when x approaches 0. So let's find it. It's going to be e to the power of 2 times 0 minus 1 over 0. Any number to the power of 0 is going to be 1. So 1 minus 1 divided by 0 is going to be 0 over 0. So whenever we have a limit which is 0 over 0, what we need to do, we can find out the derivative of the numerator and derivative of the denominator. Derivative of e to the power of 2x will be 2e to the power of 2x. Derivative of negative 1 is 0. Derivative of x is 1. So it's going to be limit of x approaches 0 to e to the power of 2x when x is approaching 0. So that's going to be 2 times e to the power of 2 times to the power of 0. It's going to be 2 times 1, which is going to be equal to 2. So that's how we find out the limit of the expression which leads to 0 over 0 using L'Hopital's rule. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. You can have access to many other videos regarding L'Hopital's rule, differentiation, limits, integration, and other topics in calculus, physics, and chemistry. Thank you for watching and have a great day.